Hello viewers, welcome to Eastar Max Technologies Private Limited. We take utmost pleasure in welcoming you all for this demo. A quick intro of our institute. Eastar Max Technologies Private Limited is a Tally training center, and we are proud to say that we are authorized training partner for Tally Education Bangalore. We have been in this industry for more than 6 years, and Eastar Max Tally Education is well equipped with a team of efficient training faculties and other supporting staff who have been traveling with us through this education process. We have been conducting Tally direct classes for all the aspirants at our venue. Then we have tie-ups to train students for some of the colleges in Tamil Nadu. We also have corporate training to train the working professionals to upskill. And in this prevailing situation has pushed us all towards digital learning, that is online classes. Now we will see what is Tally.
Okay, what is Tally? Tally is the most popular business management software that takes care of your accounting, that is sales, purchase, receivables, payables tracking. And then second one is inventory management, purchase order processing, sales order processing, and then inventory tracking, job work order. And third one is payroll management, how to enter the salaries process, how to enter the attendance and some deductions and prepare the salaries. And then bank transactions, how to make a check payment, and then how to take a check printout and how to maintain the checkbooks, check register, and then statutory compliances. As I said, Tally permits business owners and their associates to interact more in accounts related discussions. If you are using this Tally, it is useful for other people, other companies also. You interact more in accounts related discussions. These reports is helpful for further decision making. So still it offers comprehensive business functionalities. As I said, accounting, sales, purchase, receivables tracking, payables tracking, order processing, inventory tracking, payroll management, statutory compliances. In these statutory compliances, the GST is the main part in all companies all over India. So this GST option is very useful to work in the Tally. Okay, and then TDS also, income tax process, and the excise, and then TCS also. Now it is changed into the Tally ERP9 software is changed into new software Tally Prime. This is the newly launched upgraded version of Tally ERP9. It will be easier to learn directly from Tally Prime. If you are a professional or already a Tally user, this gives you a better experience than the older version, Tally ERP9. Tally Prime enables you to manage multiple companies. You can create multiple companies and use it and incrementally add features such as multiple godowns or warehouses and multi currency, different countries of multi currencies, and order process as cost centers, etc. You can use in the Tally Prime. Then, what is the key benefits of Tally Prime? This Tally Prime is very, very simple and easy to use. And then it is very easy to install the Tally Prime in your computer, what is that, desktop computer or laptop. This one is a secured connected services. If you are working in your office, this installation is very easy to install in your desktop computer in your office, and then you can connect with other computers, and you can see the you can transfer the reports to other branches or other state also, and handle multi-state GST, how to enter the multi-state in GST invoices. For example, if you are purchased or sales goods in your state, you have to prepare CGST, SGST invoices. If you are purchased goods or sold goods to other states, that is interstate purchase or sales, you can create what is that IGST invoices. And this Tally Prime is more speed and power to work in laptop or what is that desktop computer. Reliable and efficient. It is very reliable and efficient. You can trust the Tally Prime for your accounts work. And accurate results. It will gives the accurate results. For example, profit and loss and balance sheet. It gives accurate result. Before that, you have to enter the journal entries correctly. Very flexible. This Tally Prime is very flexible to use in your office or in your working place or in your houses. It is very flexible. Then, after installation of Tally Prime, you can see this type of gateway of Tally. This is the main screen of Tally Prime, from where you can drill down to your master's transactions and reports. If you want to create any ledgers or groups or stock item or stock group or anything, you can create under the masters. Already you created. If you want to alter it, you can go to alter, and already created how many ledgers and groups and stock items. You can see these created vouchers, what is that ledgers, groups, stock item, you can see in the chart of accounts. And under the transactions, vouchers and day books are there. If you are going to enter purchase voucher, sales voucher, or what is that sales voucher, payment voucher or receipt voucher, you can open these vouchers, and after enter the vouchers, you can see the reports, vouchers reports in day book. Utilities banking, as I said just now, I said how to create the checks, how to maintain the registers, how to prepare the and take the printout of checks. You can use this utilities banking, and you can do the bank reconciliation also. After all the works, you can take the reports under these reports, for example, profit and loss, balance sheet, stock summary, and further more reports you can see in display. So this is the gateway of Tally, important options. And this one is the important basic shortcut keys in Tally, and many more shortcut keys also in Tally. After your course joined, you can study all the shortcut keys. It is useful for not only commerce students, it is useful for non-commerce students also. Then the next one is, what is new in Tally Prime compared to in Tally ERP9. In Tally ERP9, there is to go to button and switch to button. But in this Tally Prime, they are given go to feature with Tally Prime. You can get the information easily. For example, if you are working in one voucher and simultaneously you have to see any other previous reports, you have to go to feature and open the reports. What you need, that reports, you have to see it, and after that press escape button. Automatically what you have seeing in these vouchers, the previous page will come automatically. So that is called go to. So even though non-commerce students can use this go to feature, and you can go wherever, and then you see different types of reports and something that what is that you didn't know Tally could do for you, and discover new insights to run your business better. Open the multiple reports or vouchers without opening a new instance of Tally using the new go to button. And switch button is, if you are working in one voucher and after that you completed the voucher, and if you are going to see any another reports, you have to go to switch to button. This switch to button, if you are seeing any reports, automatically the previous page is gone. Okay, so this is the way you have to use the Tally Prime, the new Tally accounts work. Thank you,
Well,
ma'am.
this is just a brief about Tally Prime. And we would like to inform you that you will be receiving training with digital content for the entire course as our faculty shared. And after completion of training and online assessment, you'll be awarded with an industry preferred digital certificate from Tally Education. At Eastar Max, the courses are designed by Tally Education for the students and professionals who aspire for better and better career growth. The courses are short and intensive, also to help the busy professionals learn the software features and commands that are essential for on-job performance. And for your information, both English and Tamil sessions are available as per your preference. Well, I would like to brief about our new courses that are scheduled for online classes this month. This Tally Essential Level 1. This is a basic level, and this is recommended for the +2 completed and also the students pursuing college, and the duration is going to be 35 hours. And the next one is Tally Essential Level 2. And this is for the ones who completed Tally Essentials Level 1, or if you know the basics. And the duration is going to be again 35 hours. The next one is Tally Essential Level 3. This is an advanced level. And this is for those who have completed Tally Essential Level 1 and Level 2. And the duration is again 35 hours. And the other one is Tally Essential Comprehensive. And this comprises of all 3 levels. This is for all the aspirants or working professionals or job seekers. The duration is going to be 90 hours. If you have completed your +2, pursuing or completed your graduation, working professional, looking to upskill, you can make use of our online training and you can register with us to avail our special summer offer. Batches will be allotted according to your preferable timings. For more details, you can visit us at www.eastarmaxtally.in or you can call us at 8220999722. So thanks for watching. Thank you.